Squishy Trading. This is what I have, and that's what you have.
I'm going to go first, so let's see what I have down. These are all my squishies. I think I'm going to put down this blue duck.
Ooh, I like ducks. I also have a duck. I just don't have it in the hub today. I'll trade you Ooh, I'm not going to do my strawberry. I think I'm going to do one of my global ones. Neato.
Add one more.
Okay. I will do my orange RMS dumpling.
Is that real? Yes, it is. Okay. I think that's a pretty fair deal.
Except... noise.
Guys, look at these. It's real. Guys, she gave me a real one. I wish she didn't scam me.
I'll go first.
Yeah, she'll go next.
I will trade a strawberry.
Okay, this is a good one. Again, these are all my squishies. And now I just added 2. Guys, which one do you think I should put down? Do you guys think I should put down this pineapple and this big Neato? Do you think that is fair?
I think it's a fair trade. Except, guys, I just got the Neato Niceberg. And the pineapple.
Strawberry squeezy, guys. And now I have the peach and the strawberry. Nice. Look at my collection, guys.
Look at this.
These are all my Neatos. And this is a dumpling.
I think this one's going to have to go away. I don't know.
Okay, ready? Now, it is my turn again. Okay, this is it again. And I think I'm going to trade for... Really like this. I will trade you this. Gummy Bear Neato.
Because I'm putting my cheese down.
Fine. Guys, which one? Do you guys think I should decline or should I keep it like this? Gonna have
I would decline if it's something small.
Decline. Okay, you can go.
Bye.
Bye.
I think I'm going to trade... Oh, this butter's really precious. I might do the ice cream one then. It's really precious too, but like... What if I could get like 2 big things for 1 big thing? Maybe. Okay, I'll put it down. Going for an ice cream cone?
An ice cream sandwich, you mean?
Yeah.
Can't pronounce it, lady.
Decline.
Okay, see you later. Annoying. Looks like it's my turn. Hello, miss. I will trade you this RMS dumpling, and it is orange. Would you like to trade with me?
I'll trade you this white dumpling and probably a duck.
A duck? I think that is a pretty good thing. Yeah.
Except,
I paused.
guess it's my turn to trade. I think I'm going to do this pineapple and maybe a cheese if they do something good.
Pineapple? I was hoping for something better, but that's okay. Yes! Oh my god, I'm definitely gonna trade for this, guys. What do you guys think I should put down? This is my collection.
That's your collection.
Should I put down this peach? I really like it. It's my favorite, but I might have to do it. I'll put down this peach and this is really rare. It's really hard to find. I think I should do it. Is this good?
Oh. Oh my
Guys,
gosh.
I just got the cheese. Okay, guys, it is my turn, so let's see what I want to put down. Hey, put down my squishy. Guys, should I give this a pop? Just kidding. Well, it is pop, but I'm not going to give it. Should I put down these 2 purple fuzz balls?
I hear her saying she's gonna do 2 purple fuzz balls, and I really want the fuzz balls. So I have to go
Should I
hard.
do one of these big ones? I think it's really good.
I have a color changing one.
I'm putting down the purple fuzz ball.
Color changing needle.
Yes!
Yes, jeez.
Guys, look at this color change.
Guys, they scare me. It's popped.
Look at this girl crashing out.
Oh wait, where's my fuzzball? Oh, it's right here.
Let's trade you something better. Let's see.
Oh my
I have this white dumpling that I could trade.
gosh.
Guys, you can't open it. There.
I'll do this neato iceberg. Except, jeez.
Guys, I got this Neato swirl back. Isn't this the one I gave to that lady? They must have traded.
Our last fidget train is about to happen. I really hope I get really good stuff.
Same, guys. I hope I get some good stuff, too. Okay, let's see what she puts down.
I'll fidget trade this, I'll fidget trade this, and I'll fidget trade this.
Wow, guys, look at that. Okay, since she gave me the peach, which I love, I'm going to give her strawberry. Since she gave me 2 Neatos, I'll give her 2 Neatos. And I'm not really a big fan of the cheese. It's kind of really hard. I'm going to put that down. Do you think that's a really good thing?
Fair trade, fair trade.
Yes. Yes, guys, I got all these back. Well, bye. I gotta go.